We are currently on our way to what I believe to be the largest Volkswagen van event, like a Volkswagen van festival in the world. We just so happen to be taking historic Route 66 through northern Arizona. Hello, my name is Sebastian, and I'm traveling with my girlfriend Ray. We both live in Volkswagen Vanagons, and we're on a pretty big trip. I'm ready for the quarters to be inserted.
I don't really know how to do this. I've never seen this. Okay, light is on. Alrighty. Oh. No, you have to turn it on.
Okay.
Sounds weird.
It's going. It's a very interesting water fill station here.
No! Turned off. You got another quarter?
Of course, in true Volkswagen fashion, I was losing power on the highway, so we just pulled off to this little pullout. It was on iOverlander, so we were thinking we'll check it out, make sure it's a good spot to camp out. It's just right off the road here, so we're not going to. We're gonna go to another spot. I ran some codes on the engine, and it was throwing like a fuel shutoff solenoid short to ground code, which is not ideal, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. I'm gonna pop the lid and see if it's an issue or not. I'm gonna check the wire to the fuel shutoff solenoid and see what's going on. If it's tight, we're just gonna hit the road and hopefully it doesn't die, because we are in the middle of nowhere. I think we're fully accustomed to being back on the road now. We slept in a Cracker Barrel parking lot last night and then drove across the street to Planet Fitness and signed up for memberships. I used to be a member at the Anytime Fitness because they're the most franchised in America, but since we're gonna be on the road together, we figured we would do Planet Fitness because it's a little bit cheaper. It's $25 or $24.98 per month, and you could bring a guest for free every time you go. We ended up getting separate memberships just in case Ray wants to go on her own and I want to go on my own. We don't have to have each other to go and be able to take a shower while living on the road full time. I think we're wrapping up here. We're gonna go wash the vans and then head on over to Buses by the Bridge. Buses by the Bridge is an event that's held in the Lake Havasu State Park between January 15th through 18th. It brings together Volkswagen buses and the VW enthusiast community. Since we're currently driving our Volkswagen Vanagons from the 80s from Montana all the way down to the beautiful sandy beaches of Baja, Mexico, we figured we'd swing on by to this event. And if you've been following along throughout this series so far, you know that this road, well, it's been a bumpy one. But we're here in western Arizona and we're gonna chillax for a couple days. First thing on the list at this event, I'm getting some new windows installed from Backwoods Weld Co. Chris is located in Rainier, Washington, and recently he's been making some pretty cool stuff for these here Volkswagen Vanagons. These products will not last forever, but they're gonna last a really freaking long time when mounted on a Volkswagen Vanagon. The van's gonna rust away before these panels do. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty intimidated pulling out my windows in the parking lot for Buses by the Bridge to replace them with these metal panels. And that's just because, well, I've never done it before. But Chris, he's done it a time or two, and we got this done in less than 20 minutes.
She's in. She's home. It's really
not that bad. It's just this back corner is the hardest part. With my new window panels fully installed by Backwoods Weld Co., we could focus on the rest of the event. Now, Buses by the Bridge brings together a lot of interesting individuals. Not everyone drives a Vanagon, not everyone drives a bay window, not everyone drives a split window bus. But at an event like Buses by the Bridge or any other VW campout, no one really gives a shit what you drive, as long as it's a Volkswagen and as long as it's cool. 2026 brought over 650 Volkswagen buses and vans registered into this event. Each and every one of those vehicles had a personality just like their owner. They don't all have air conditioning or cruise control or hell, even tires that aren't bald, but they do have soul, and that's why we love them. I think it's safe to say that all of these vehicles do have one thing in common. They've all had an issue that their owners or shop owners have fixed in some point in time. Even with over 650 vintage Volkswagens in the same place at the same time, no two vehicles were the same.
Oh, this is your I brought them.
We've got the after party here at the laundromat, but we're gonna go and camp out tonight at a really cool spot. Unfortunately, that will be in the next video because we're wrapping up this one and posting it immediately. I gotta go find some Wi-Fi and post this video somewhere here in the western desert of Arizona, and then in a couple days we're gonna be heading on down to Mexico. Yes, we are driving these old vans down to Mexico, and hopefully everything goes okay. We'll knock on all of the wood along the way because I'm having plenty of issues with my 85 Westie, but that's just the name of the game. We'll figure it out and we'll have a good time along the way. I'll see you guys next time.